welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make a flaky pie crust. So you can use it for apple pie, for apple crumble, cream pie. So first we're gonna use the food processor to mix the things. And the most important, if you want a flaky crust, you have to have your flour. I'm using here vegetable shortening or butter or margarine, anything you're using has to be in the fridge a night before. So they have to be cold. So let's place the flour first. And a salt. Let's give it a little mix. Now I want to add the vegetable shortening. And that's the secret about it here. So the water we're going to add, it's ice water. Even the water has to be really cold. So what I'm doing here, a few stages, I'm adding 2 tablespoons water at the time and give it a little mix. For 3 seconds, you stop. You add another 2 tablespoons of water. You stop. And should be the last one. Perfect, it's ready to go. Now before we finish it up, I'm going to add here for a color and for a flavor as well, the caramel extract. So the caramel extract, it gives like pie crust a very nice color and flavor as well. So I'm adding here just 1 tablespoon. Last quick mix. Voila, a little bit flour on the board. And let's take everything out. Yeah, look at this. Voila. Now just little flour around here and there. Nice. Here we go. Now all what you need, just a saran wrap, Ziploc bag, everything's work. Just we're gonna cover, turn. Voila. So ready to go to rest in the fridge. And that will be it for today. Show you how to make a great flaky pie crust. And for the next episode, we're gonna show you how to make so many things out of this dough. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.